Hey besties! Today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 in the color lavender. I got the color lavender to go with my new Samsung Z Flip 3 that comes in the color violet. I'm currently using AirPods Pro, so I'm really hoping that these play way better. The Galaxy Buds 2 has active noise cancelling as well as ambient sound. It also has Dolby Atmos, which allows you to be fully immersed in your audio. It has up to 5 hours of playtime and 15 more with a fully charged case. And these buds can sync with most Android and most Samsung devices. It comes with a USB-C cable as well as extra ear tips. The Buds 2 also comes in the color space gray, white, olive, and onyx. After trying the Buds 2 out for some time, I will do a side-by-side comparison with the Apple AirPods Pro. I'm so happy that this came with a normal USB port on the other end because I was not going to buy another charging block. And this is the Buds 2. I'm so in love with this color, guys. Isn't it beautiful?